Hey my YouTube friends and family, thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video, I'm doing an update. This is an update to a video I've done before. The owner sent me these videos. I said, PJ, feel free to share with your viewers. So that's what I'm doing today. So let me know what your thoughts are down in the comment section. Watch till the end. And if you're not yet a part of the family, hit subscribe and give this video a like. So let's go, guys. So as you can see, this is the kitchen. The cabinets and countertop has been installed. The upper cabinets has not been installed as yet, but later down in the video you will see that those were installed. So there's a wine storage. As you can see, we have the white shaker style cabinets, gas cooktop. So we have the wall oven microwave combination. That's the door to the pantry. So wine storage, all of that. You have your under-mount sink. I must say I do love the cooktop, the gas cooktop. And in this clip, you see that the refrigerator has been installed. So that's the dining room. So the kitchen opens up to the dining room. This is the living area. And that's the front door we're looking at. Back to the dining area. And that's the kitchen over there with the stools by the island. So you can see the range hood, you can see the cooktop, you can see the refrigerator. So this right now is the master bedroom. So barn door leading to the master bath. We have a double vanity in that shaker style cabinet just the same. So that's the water closet. You have the shower. You have a tub. And there you have the door to the walk-in closet. So this project is almost complete. Just some little finishing touches left to be done, but so far everything is looking good. So let me know what you think down in the comment section. Like this one, share this one with a friend, and if you're not yet a part of the family, I ask that you do consider subscribing to the channel. So see you in my next video, guys.